Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fail to authenticate your connection on Minecraft. So the first thing what you can do here is to check your internet speed. To do so, you just need to go to speedtest.net and test your internet connection, and then you need to look if you have a good internet speed and consistent connection, and if you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router, or if you have an access, you can all use Ethernet cable because it's always the better thing to do here, right? So, and if you have a good internet speed and you have the same problem here, then you need to go to search here, and then you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall, press allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then press change settings, and then click on one of the tasks here and press letter M, and then until you see Minecraft for Windows 10, and make sure that this box is selected here as well as these two boxes as well, right? And after that, then you need to make sure if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then if you're using third-party antivirus softwares like Avast, McAfee, or other, try to disable them while playing the game. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then the next thing that you can do here is to update your Java. So on search, you just need to write configure Java. And here you will get this window here. And then you need to press update and update now. And after that, then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to open up your browser. Then you need to just write Minecraft server status here. And then on this search bar, just put your Minecraft server address that you're trying to go. And then on the players list, you will see if server is having problems or not. So if a lot of players is playing on the game, probably servers are not down. So what you can do here, how you can go around that, is simply you need to then go to a search here again, then open up CMD, right click on it, run administrator, press yes, and then here you just need to write IP config /flush DNS, and then here nesh winsock reset. And after that, you start the computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to network and internet connection here, then advanced network settings, more network adapter options, then select your internet that you're using, then properties. Basically make sure that this option is disabled, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. just to Google default DNS server addresses. So by changing that, it can help you with your server connectivity. And if the problem still persists, I highly advise you to use then some sort of VPN to check if you really can go into the server. And I use Privado VPN, super cheap, costs around $2 a month, I believe. And what I like about it most is that I can sort out my servers that I try to log in from low to high latency. So this means if I go to low latency servers on VPN, I will not have any issues with ping, right? So you can try this out if you want to. I will leave the link in the description below if you want to support the channel, but of course you can use whatever you like. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.